Today, our reliance on fossil fuels are harming our planet. Climate change, air pollution, and water scarcity are just a few of the consequences. Together, we can create sustainable clean energy future, a future where energy is clean, abundant, and accessible to all. Join movement towards a brighter tomorrow. So, what we can do: invest in renewable energy, increase energy efficiency, and support policies that promote sustainable clean energy. Burning fossil fuels pollutes our air and water, harming our health and environment. Renewable energy source, solar panels, wind turbines, it's time to embrace sustainable energy. Solutions of people using renewable energy charging, electric car using solar powered homes enjoying clean air. Implement energy-saving technologies in practice to minimize waste and optimize consumption. Advocate for support policies that promote clean energy, reduce emissions, and protect the environment. Together, we can build a cleaner, greener future. But there's hope. Sustainable clean energy solution we can need for solar and wind power to hydro geothermal energy options are vast. Energy is clean, abundant, and accessible in a world where our planet and our future bright is a world of sustainable clean energy. Join the transition sustainable clean energy and create a better future for all.
Pakitan.